Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by importing assets and setting the stage, literally. Open Alight Motion, create a project with the correct ratio and frame rate, then import sprites, backgrounds, and music into labeled folders so you can grab them fast. Once done, place your background layer, then drag character sprites in order of appearance. Make sure to lock background layers to avoid accidental moves. This step speeds everything later and prevents confusion when you hit complex timing and animation tasks. Now you animate. Select a sprite, add keyframes for position, scale, and rotation, and apply easing curves to make motion feel natural. If you have separate limb PNGs, parent parts to a main body layer or use masks to simulate joints. This puppet approach gives smoother choreography. Once basic movement is in, add motion blur effects and adjust velocity for snappier hits. Make sure to scrub frame by frame and use slower playback when syncing to beats, so timing is pixel perfect. Finish by polishing. Stack adjustment layers for color grade, add glow on highlights, and a subtle vignette to focus the shot. Align your final audio track to key moments, trim any dead frames, and preview the whole edit. When satisfied, export as MP4 at 1080p and your chosen bitrate. If export fails, clear the app cache, re-import any missing assets, or temporarily reduce heavy effects. This single troubleshooting tip usually fixes crashes and keeps your workflow moving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.